The Rajdhani Express bound for Delhi left Sialda station at 8 p.m. The fourth passenger in the fourth-seated first-class compartment has yet arrived. Mrinal is already in the compartment with his wife Neha and 5 years old daughter Sania. Wondering who the fourth passenger would be, a 30-year-old man entered the compartment. It was raining heavily outside the station, so the man often get wet. The man sat in his seat and wiped the water off his head. The Rajdhani Express is now speeding towards Delhi. The man is staring at Neha. Neha looked at the man and bowed her head and said, "Obhinav?" The man smiled and said, "Yes, I am. How are you, Neha?" Mrinal looked at the man in surprise and said, "Do you know my wife?" Obhinav smiled and said, "Please ask your wife if she knew me." Sania told her mother to go to the bathroom. Neha go to the bathroom with her daughter. Obhinav said, "Your name, please?" Mrinal said, "How do you know my wife, sir?" Obhinav said, "I am Neha's unfortunate ex-husband, Mr. Mrinal. She left me 5 years ago." Mrinal said, "I am sorry, sir. For me, your family has broken up." Obhinav said, "You have no reason to be sorry, Mr. Mrinal. In fact, you won the love race and I lost. I have no grudge against you. I think it's my failure to hold on to my wife with love." Mrinal said, "Actually, sir, Neha and I were studying together in the Presidency College. We had a love affair for 3 years. Ignoring Neha's opinion, her parents decided to marry with him. But after marriage, Neha could not forget me, so she came to me after 1 year of her marriage." Obhinav said, "The day Neha left was Saturday. That was one day before of our wedding anniversary. I had Neha's pregnancy test and the report was positive. I came home to give that good news to Neha and saw that the main door of our flat was open. Neha had written a letter to me to the effect that she is going to the man she loves." Obhinav's voice became heavy. Then he said that, "I could not feel the happiness of being the first-time father that day. I realized I have lost both my child and my love forever." Neha entered the compartment with her daughter. Obhinav told Mrinal, "Where are you going in Delhi?" Mrinal said, "Actually, our daughter Sania has been suffering from illness since her birth. No doctor could diagnose the disease in Calcutta. So we are going to Delhi for her treatment." Obhinav, not being able to do anything for his own child, despite being her father, the real relationship have made him stand at this juncture. Mrinal said, "We have enough food for dinner. Would you like to have dinner with us, sir?" Abhinav said, "If you don't mind, I will be able to eat Neha's food again after 5 years. After eating, Abhinav said that the vegetables' taste is the same as before. Thank you, Neha, for feeding me my favorite vegetable." Neha looked at Abhinav and said, "Are you married again?" Abhinav smiled and said, "I haven't forgotten my daughter's mother yet. If I try to forget one day, I will think about marriage again." Neha said, "Where are you going to Delhi?" Abhinav said, "I am going to Delhi for office work and I will return back to Kolkata tomorrow night." "Be well, Neha. Now I will sleep. Good night." Dear viewers, in this creation, some people want to hold on the people they love, but just one-sidedly ignores her own place of love and wants to get her only for his own benefit. You have to understand that love is the sweetness of both thoughts. It is never possible alone. When the person you love does not want to be with you anymore, you need to understand that he or she does not need you anymore. A human being has the full right to love someone. Similarly, he or she has every right to leave that person if he or she wants. Some people don't want to understand this like a fool. They are saddened by the thought at unilateral love. In reality, it is never desirable. What do you think? If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day.